Mr. Milo, why are you here? You ate already, right? Yeah, Mr. Milo, why are you here? Yala, go down. You cannot come to Mama. They are sleeping. Come. Milo. Milo. Come here. Let's go down. He's waiting for someone. You cannot sit down to someone else this morning. They are still sleeping. Okay, Milo? What? Go take the ball. Here. Where's the ball? Oh, Milo is playing. Oh, got it. Ay. Go get it. Yalla. Get it. Yalla. Hey, Mr. Milo. Yalla, get it. The ball. Oh. Milo. Milo. Why are you sleeping there? Milo. Hey. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh. What are you doing? Huh? Did you eat already? Oh. Sleep again? The lazy cat. Milo. 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 Hey. Ayaw niya talaga magising, guys. Milo, go down. This is the table. This is not your bed. Yalla. Milo. Tingnan yung buntot niya. Yalla. Go down. Milo. Buntot ang gumagalaw. Yalla, go down. Go down.